Hello friends, welcome to the online education. This is the lecture number 1. Now we started a new subject 503 Physical and Analytical Chemistry. In the 503 subject Physical and Analytical Chemistry, it is including in a 5 units. Each and every unit has 14 marks. So 5 units total marks 17. Your external paper is 17 marks of 503 subject physical and analytical chemistry. And your internal marks is 30. So total marks is 100. So 503 subject physical and analytical chemistry, we started a new chapter and our new unit number 4, introduction of a complexometry titration. Now we have started a unit number 4, introduction of a complexometry titration. So we have started a new chapter. We have learned about the some terms like complexometry titration, ligand and chelate or chelate. So friends, we have learned about the some definitions. Complexometry titration, ligand and chelate. So introduction of a complexometry titration. This is our new chapter. So what is the complexometry titration? Define the term complexometry titration. Now we have learned about the definition of a complexometry titration. When the metal ion joined by a covalent coordination bond with electron donating ligands and soluble complex is formed, such type of titration is known as complexometry titration. What is the complexometry titration? So when the metal ions joined by a covalent coordination bond with the electron donating ligand. Which type of ligands? It is the electron donating. Which type of ligand? Electron donating ligand. Non-electron accepting ligand. That is such a type of electron donating ligands. Electron donating ligands. And soluble complex is formed. Soluble complex is formed. So such type of titration is known as complexometry titration. First of all, metal ion joined by the covalent coordination bond with electron donating ligand and soluble complex is formed. Such type of titration is known as complexometry titration. So what is the complexometry titration? So the definition of a complexometry titration: when metal ions joined by a covalent coordination bond with electron donating ligand. Which type of ligand? So electron donating ligand and soluble complex, non-insoluble complex. It is from the soluble complex. In such type of titration is known as the complexometry titration. So that is the definition of the complexometry titration. Now we have learned about our second term or second definition, ligand. So what is the ligand? The definition of a ligand: the negative or neutral molecule, some type of molecule in a specific type, negative or neutral molecule which joins with the metal ion by a coordination covalent bond. Which type of bond? The coordination covalent bond. And which type of molecule? Negative or neutral, not positive molecule. Positive molecule does not being a ligand, but negative or neutral molecule is being a ligand. So negative or neutral molecule which joins the metal ion, or which type of bond formed? Coordination covalent bond. So friends, the negative or neutral molecule which joins with the metal ion by a coordination covalent bond and makes the complex. Which type of structure is formed? This is the complex structure. Which is the complex structure is known as ligand. First of all, negative or neutral molecule which joins the metal ion and by a coordination covalent bond which joins with the which bond coordination covalent bond and makes the complex structure is known as ligand. So this is the definition of ligand. Now we have learned about the our third term, chelate. So what is the chelate or what is the chelate? Two names and two pronunciation, chelate or chelate. But you will should any type of name use chelate or chelate. So what is the definition of chelate? The ligand which attaches with the metal ion. The ligand attaches with the metal ion by a covalent coordination bond. Covalent coordination bond at the 3 or 4 sites. Which type of sites? 3 or 4. 3 or 4 or more sites is known as chelate. 3 or 4 sites is known as chelate. The ligand which attaches with the metal ion. The ligand it attaches with the metal ion by a covalent coordination bond. Which type of bond used and formed? Covalent coordination bond at the 3 or 4 site is known as chelate. So this is the definition of a chelate. The ligand which attaches with the metal ion by a covalent coordination bond at 3 or 4 site is known as chelate. So this is the definition of chelate. And we have learned about the three terms. First of all, complexometry titration. Second is ligand, and third is chelate. Now we have learned about the some example of a ligand and complexometry titration. So first of all, we have used the standard solution. So which type of standard is used in complexometry titration? So we have used the EDTA solution. And why we use the EDTA solution for a standard? So let us see why we should use the standard of a EDTA solution. And the structure and standard of a EDTA solution. This is the structure of a EDTA solution. This complex is EDTA. CH2CH2, 2 nitrogen but electron donating. Which type of pair? This is the electron donating pair. Nitrogen is an electron donor. So it is the electron donating pair of nitrogen and CH2CH2, both sides nitrogen and 4 sides. This is the chelate. 4 sides. We have learned about the definition. 3 or 4 sides. This is the 4 side compound. CH2COOH, CH2COOH, CH2COOH. This is the EDTA. And full form of EDTA is ethylene diamine tetra acetic acid. This is the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. So this is the structure of a EDTA. Full form of EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, and this is the structure of a EDTA. So this is the structure of EDTA. Now we have learned about the molecular formula of EDTA. So molecular formula of EDTA is Na2, 2 mole of sodium, Na2H2 C10H12O8 into 2H2O. So what is the molecular formula of EDTA is? So Na2H2 C10H12O8 into 2H2O. This is the molecular formula of EDTA. Now, molecular weight of EDTA is 372.25 gram per mole. This is the molecular weight of EDTA. Now we will use the concentration in our complexometry titration. So it is used in EDTA solution is 0.01 molar. It is the standard solution. So it is concentration of EDTA is 0.01 molar. So it is called a standard solution of a EDTA, and that is prepared by in a laboratory. We should prepare a standard solution of a EDTA. Which type of EDTA solution used is a primary standard? So molecular formula Na2H2 C10H12O8 into 2H2O, and its molecular weight of EDTA is 372.25 gram per mole, and concentration of EDTA which is used, so 0.01 molar. So it is called the standard solution of a EDTA. So we have learned about the structure and standard of a EDTA solution. Why we used as a primary standard for EDTA solution? So it is the learn about the standard of EDTA solution and its molecular formula, its molecular weight, its concentration of EDTA solution as a primary, and structure of EDTA solution. And also we have learned about the some terms complexometry titration, ligand, and chelate. So it is the introduction of a complexometry titration. And now we have learned about the EDTA solution curve and Wechsler's rule in the next lecture.